Okay, so as we had a very simple plain HTML page and it does not demonstrate it correctly. So what I've thought of is we can create test pages so that you can get a glimpse of how it will actually look. And I will let me create a uh, examples folder, and I will just move this to this one. And there is a one good side, one page love, and even so I want only single page application where you will have simple HTML index based page, and you can just simply use them wherever you want. So I'm downloading couple of them, that way you can see that it is available with even pure HTML based applications. So let me just quickly open up all of those, and I will copy all of this to my application. And free bot UI projects, elements, examples, and I will paste it. So all of these are available into our directory now. And so they have index page, right? So what we will need is just two things, right? I will copy this, and let me just have them ready handy with me. Copy it and paste it here, and somewhere in the body, mostly at the end of the code, I can just put my HTML tag. And if I open with, sorry, I don't have it, copy path. So I know the images are breaking here, but still our application is working just fine. You can fix this application thing. By the time, let's just quickly add the script at other places too. We don't need all these files, so let me just remove the source. I will only need the dist folder. Or rather, I would say, let's not use the folders which have the dist inside. Let's only use the plain index HTML based pages. That way we don't have to spend time and debugging the unnecessary things. And again, this Carta is having, okay, if I copy path, if I open this, so we are good. So even like here, it just looks very great. Even for this one, if I copy path, it looks like this. Need help, they show the pop-up, and it looks very professional as well. correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, we are missing the script here. Well, let's copy the path, copy path. Cool. So even with any of the themes that we have taken, right, so it just fits just fine, and honestly this is a good achievement for you if you finish this course and get it to work and learn many things out of it. Thank you.